want to show you how to play Angels from the Realms of Glory. 19th century gospel hymn that is a Christmas hymn, really. If you want the letter notes for that, go to LetterNotePlayer.com. I have them there for you. Let's start with the melody. We're in the key of B flat, and we start on an F. F, D, B flat, F, D, C, B flat, F, G, G, F, B flat, F, B flat, D. Then we do it again. F, D, B flat, F, D, C, B flat, A. Now here it changes. B flat, A, G, A, B flat, A, G, F. And then the refrain. C, C, A, F, D, C, B flat, G, E flat, D, C, B flat, B flat, A, B flat. And that melody goes through, and I've got 3 verses up here, 3 different variations of that melody, but we'll give you the introduction next. All I'm doing is playing an F7. Once I go to that G, it turns into an F9. 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, and resolves that F down and leads right into the melody. So that F7 will lead right into the melody, so it'll start you off singing. But we'll just arpeggiate it. F, C, F, and then the right hand picks it up. A, C, E flat, G, F. If your F7 is F, A, C, E flat, 1, 3, 5, 7, and then we add the G to it to make it a 9, and we go, and then we're into the melody. Now what I'm going to start off by is arpeggiating the B flat chord, B flat, D, F, black, white, white. Then we'll play it again, B flat, this time with the D and F together. So F, D, B flat, F. Go to an E flat right with that G. So we're going to an E flat chord, E flat, G, B flat. Back to the B flat, down to an F. So your basic sonority there is a B flat chord to an E flat chord, back to the B flat chord to an F, and back to the B flat. Set up so that you can get by most of the time with just a single bass note down there and maybe an arpeggio. Do it again. Now here we're going to go back and forth between G and D. A D chord is D, F sharp, A. So we're going to go back and forth, and we're going to have a G minor, and then to a C, and back to an F. So the way I'm going to do that in the bass, I'm just going to go G, D, B flat, D, C, F. So together it'll sound like this. I'll go slowly. And up the tempo. With an F, with that C in the main, and it'll be an F, C, F, right up the arpeggio, open 5th. Then the B flat arpeggio. I'm going to only play the B flat and the D because we're going right into the E flat chord right there. B flat, D, E flat chord, C, B flat, F. And we'll end with a B flat and an F in the left hand and a D and a B flat in the right hand. So we'll have the whole choral harmonic right there. There you go. So we'll have a whole 4-part harmony right there. Then we go into a very slow verse, and I'm going to add chords to the background. Now this time we're going to go start with a B flat chord, and we're going to take it up 1 position to a D, B flat, F. So we're going to go from a B flat, D, F to a D, B flat, F to an E flat, G, B flat, back to the D, B flat, or back to the D, F, B flat. It's a D, F, B flat right there. So we've got now to an F, A, C, to an F and a B flat, because we're going to have the melody right there. So we'll end that phrase with just a F and a B flat in the bass. Then we do it again. Now here we're going to go. So we're going to go back and forth between a G minor, D major, G minor, D major, to a C chord, and then I'll get into the refrain in a minute. So I'll take that slowly and it'll sound like this. Now we've got the F chord down there with a C in the bass, but now for the refrain we're going to go up to the F chord up here. So as this goes up, left hand will come up with it. Then we go F, B flat, D. So we're going to go F, B flat, D to a G, B flat, E flat, G, C, E flat, G, B flat, E flat, F7, and B flat and D. So what you've got there, you've got an F harmony to a B flat harmony to a E flat harmony, C minor harmony, E flat harmony, F7, back to the B flat and D. And we'll have F and B flat in the right hand. So we'll end up again with a four-part harmony, but this time it'll be close harmony, as opposed before with spread out. Now we'll be close. So here it is, that refrain together. With the chords, you just want to keep it slowly. Now the next thing I'm going to do is take it and make it sound like a toy piano. I'm going to take the octave, the melody up an octave, and we'll keep the bass, the same thing that we've done in the left hand, but we're going to do single notes, and we're going to take that up an octave, so it'll sound like this. Again. Now here, I'm just going to go back and forth between G and F sharp. So G, F sharp, G, F sharp, C, F. And then I'm going to add a little frill on that. So I'll just go right up the scale. F, G, A, B flat, C. Then I'm going to go from A flat, A, B flat, C, D. Then from C up to D, D, E flat. And we'll end with F and B flat in the right hand. So the first time I've got a 5-note run. Then a 4-note run. Then a 3-note run. So with the left hand, you're going to have F, then B flat, E flat, C, E flat, F, and then B flat and F. So slowly you can see it together. There you have that. And then for the last verse, I'm only going to do the actually 4 verses of the song. There are several verses, so you can add verses if you want to. The last one, I'm going to make it into a tag verse. So we go right back to the beginning, just play it just like you did the first verse. Maybe add a little bit of majesty to it, a little bit more majestic. What you've got there at the end, you're coming down. I start to slow it down once you get to the refrain. Now here we go into double time. We go 2 counts on each note. B flat, A, and then we've got the F and B flat together. So when we get to that chorus, and then in the left hand we're just going to do the same thing until we get to the F, and then we're going to play. See, you've got the A right here in the right hand, so we've got the whole F7. So I'm going to play F, then with the B flat, that's suspending the B flat over the F chord. The B flat, then we resolve it with the A, and I'm going to put the C and the E flat, so we'll have a full F7, and then we go back to the close harmony, and I'm going to end it with a B flat on the bass. I'm going to move from that, and what I do is I hold that D with my thumb, and then come down and play that B flat. So that last refrain will sound something like this. There you have it. Beautiful 19th century Christmas gospel hymn, Angels from the Realms of Glory. Hope you enjoy playing it.